Welcome to TTG Tidbits, a series where we cover quick tips and tricks to help improve your DIY digital marketing skills in 60 seconds or less. Today we'll be looking at a quick trick to invite people to like your Facebook page. So we're starting here looking at a post, and you'll see that people have liked it. If you hover over the like reaction, you can see there are people who liked, and you can hover over the love reaction. I'm going to go ahead and click on the like reaction, and you can see all of the people who liked it. Now note that the reactions are separated out, so anybody who did a different reaction other than like will be separated, so you want to look at those as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just go back to all of the people who liked it and simply click on the invite button and go ahead and scroll down through all of them. Click invite. It's super quick, really easy way to get more people to like and follow your page. Well, I hope you got a lot out of this, and I hope this helped you grow your Facebook. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tidbits in the future. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below.